Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Global Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website where you can sell your work and can make money online. Now this is a series of print-on-demand websites, or the websites where you can sell your art and designs and can make money online. Each and every week we introduce you to the various different websites where you can sell your work and introduce you to the new opportunities to make more money. If you want to check out the complete playlist of this secret websites, I'm going to leave them in the card section above. You can check it out. But today is another website where we are going to talk about what's unique about that website and how you can utilize to make more money online. So let's dive in, and before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains a full commercial license, so you can very well use it. Now let's talk about which is this one website. Today I'm going to be talking about another website in the series of the secret website, and this website is also unique. What's unique about them and how you can make more money and all. So without further ado, let me introduce you to this new website, that is the Gelato.com. Now you would be thinking, what is this Gelato? How you can make more money? So I'm going to be talking about much in depth about this website. So let's dive in. Okay, so print-on-demand products, production in 32 countries, thousands of online stores connect to Gelato for customized items produced locally and delivered within an average of 72 hours, faster, smarter, and greener. So the production is in 32 countries and delivery is faster, that is within the 72 hours. Now they have the integration with the various different brands as well, the Optimal Print, the Canva, the Mapiful, the NDOK, Tesla Bling, Broadway is Alive, your film poster, Noir Gallery. So these are some kind of interactions they have. Integrated solution for customized print products. 10 million plus print products fulfill over 12 years of experience. So this is a company that is founded 12 years ago, and 10 million plus products have already been printed and delivered to the customers. 200 plus countries and territories within your reach. Close to 90% of orders produced locally, reducing carbon emissions. That's great that it's environment friendly. 72 hours, most orders are delivered within 3 days. So that's pretty amazing. The fastest delivery, a technology first approach to production and logistics, a fully integrated solution for customized print. We bring everything that's required to sell, produce, and deliver customized print products globally and on demand. Gelato powers print production for creators, entrepreneurs, and enterprises who sell their products online to customers anywhere in the world. We also help companies navigate customs, cross-border invoicing. Okay, then the tax and VAT issues, because our production is local in 32 countries, delivery is faster, and shipping distance and carbon emission is reduced. So these are the three basic features they have, and kind of like much why you need to choose this website. Fastest delivery within 72 hours, less carbon emissions, and their products is like production is in the 32 countries, so which is pretty larger. Let's talk about much more about it. The better test reliability. Our production logistics network delivers billions of parcels every year with 99.9% uptime. Your products arrive safe on time and with consistent and superior quality. Good for the planet, that's also we want, because current scenario, the changing climatic changes and the huge changes in the environment are leading to the because of the pollution and because of the many factors that are incorporating and that are contributing to the climatic changes and to the severe changes in the environment. So that's why we need to choose the production partners or choose the things that are more environment friendly rather than going with the things that are not environment friendly. So this one is the good for the planet. We ensure sustainable local production, shipping distances and carbon emissions are reduced, and because you order on demand, so overproduction is eliminated. Okay, so these are the three benefits. They have the integration with the Etsy, Shopify, and the WooCommerce. And now you would be thinking, is this a marketplace or is this another print-on-demand website like the Printful, Printify, and Gooten? Let me tell you guys, it's not a marketplace. It's another website like Printify, Printful, Gooten. You need to integrate with your website, with the WooCommerce, with the Shopify, with the Etsy, and get started selling your products. And they're gonna handle the delivery, shipping to your customer. And let's talk about what is this company all about, like a little bit about them, who is the founder and all that. So we are a software company. We do not own any printers. Actually, we do not own any fixed assets at all. Instead, we build software. Today, Gelato represents the world's largest network of printers and logistics option. We produce personalized print products in 32 countries, reaching more than 5 billion people. Thanks to this network, your customers around the world will receive their orders within 72 hours. Before founding Gelato, I was a CEO for Tele2 Norway, a $400 million telecom company. The Gelato team has been built up with people from teleco and technology backgrounds, not print. We have focused on adding technology to what we saw as an analog industry. This focus will add value to your business. You can access a reliable billing service, efficient data storage, automated customer service, and much more. So this is a big introduction about the CEO of this company, who's telling that they are kind of like a software, providing the software for the print-on-demand services, for the print-on-demand products. We carefully select each print partner, not based upon price, but on production excellence and professionalism. Over the years of working closely with our print partners, we have also delivered technology that makes them more efficient. They in turn have provided us with printing insights that fuel our technology. So what's unique about this website? Like unlike Printful, Printify, Guten, where the company have their own printers, so they themselves are printing that products and delivering to the customer. Here, they are software companies. They have built the software and they are contacting with the other print partners based on their quality of the products, based on the printing stuff and all those things, and then choosing these print partners and connecting these print partners with you. So this website is a little bit different. It's kind of like a software. They don't have any assets. They don't have the printers. They are choosing the print partners and connecting the print partners with the print-on-demand entrepreneurs, creators, enterprises who want these products printed, delivered, and shipped to their customers. So this is the different about the Gelato. Now our first business, Optimal Print, got off to flying start selling personalized greeting cards across Europe. So it's kind of like a European company. Today, Optimal Print is a photo product based business operating in 23 countries. The millions of orders produced by our network of printers have refined our production workflow technology and perfected the product quality. We are extremely proud to read what our customers say about their Optimal Print experience on customer review like Trustpilot. If you guys know about the sites like the Trustpilot, where the people leave the review of the company or the website, the services, and all that. This would never have been possible without Gelato's resilient network. So these are basically the software company who is connecting the print partners with the people who want to get the print-on-demand products delivered to the customer. Now let's talk about what are the different products you can sell via this website. So the most common product that you can sell is the apparels. The various different kinds of apparels, the t-shirt, the hoodies, the sweatshirt. Another category, they have the wall art, the posters, the frame posters, the canvas, aluminum print, acrylic print, picture hangers, frames. Another category, they have the different kinds of the mugs. Then also they have the category of the stationery products. So these are the few of the kind of the product catalog they have, which you can very well choose from and get started with selling your print-on-demand products. Today's website. I hope you really find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever heard about the Gelato, or are you even thinking of connecting your website or starting with the Gelato, because it's a software based company? So that's a little bit different about other Printful, Printify, and Guten, because they have their printers. This website don't have the printers. They're just building the software and then talking or collaborating with the different print partners based on their products, quality and all, and then allowing you to sell your print-on-demand products via this website. And it's just an amazing integration with the Shopify, Etsy and WooCommerce, and have a various different product catalog. It's the environment friendly. Another important feature they have is the faster delivery within the 72 hours, which is amazing, within 3 days. So I hope you find this video useful. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.